Yes, Mr. Bennett. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna call her now. She's gonna be excited when I tell her this. Yeah, I'm gonna call her.
When I go, I want to be with her.
Sound like a great idea. But do you know that the Lord have a great plan for your life?
Really?
Oh yes. The whole purpose of man is to serve the Lord.
I wonder what my purpose would be.
No need to wonder. When the right time comes, the Lord will lead you and show you the way that He wants you to go.
Okay.
Okay, son, let's go take a walk.
Yo, RB. My purpose. Yeah, hear me? No count me out, the man no reach and yet me bounce back in that. It no over till it's over and I got decide that. Lace up your shoes, put on your armor and you're firm like a rock. So all them fi try hold me back. Yeah, me purpose bigger than me dream. Nothing can stop me from happening, you feel me? See what I mean? Purpose bigger than me dream. Don't touch a blessing that I fame. And all them a scheme. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Goodness and mercy has surround me upon me team. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Yeah, the enemy I try but I feel lost. Everything done nail down pon the cross. Yeah, me still a try when me no pass. Cause me future no depend on me past. Yeah, God have a plan for me life and me nah go forfeit. All when me dep on the floor me nah quit. Send back the earth and burn up the casket. Twist it to the side cause I me the cap fit. Yeah, me purpose bigger than me dream. Nothing can stop me from happening, you feel me? See what I mean? Purpose bigger than me dream. Don't touch a blessing that I fame.
Look who it is. How are you? How are you? Good to see you. Well, this probably will be the last year and we'll be close.
Me purpose bigger than me dream. Yeah, you're fighting a losing battle every time you see me. They are still a wait pan God time you see me. All when me no see it and me blind you see me. Still a wait pan purpose time you see me. Still a walk with God thanks to mama teaching. Won't reach far if you don't believe in faith and intelligence. And work hard and press on to a higher call. Yeah, your purpose bigger than your dream. Nothing can stop you from happening, you feel me? See what I mean? Your purpose bigger than your dream. Don't touch a blessing that I fame. And all them a scheme. Your purpose bigger than your dream. Goodness and mercy has surround you upon your team. Your purpose bigger than your dream. Your purpose bigger than your dream. Hey, live your life, make it shine. There's no undoing it. Go on doing what you're doing. Don't you ever give in. Gotta guide and bless everything where you do. Realizing every promise to you. Been a long while, purpose over you. One more time, I go tell it to you. Give me purpose bigger than me dream. Hey miss, this is Sone. I have some exciting news for you. I spoke with my partner and we were able to make some arrangements so the school doesn't have to close. Purpose bigger than me dream. Goodness and mercy has surround me upon me team. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Yeah, me purpose bigger than me dream. Nothing can stop me from happening, you feel me? See what I mean? Purpose bigger than me dream. Don't touch a blessing that I fame. And all them a scheme. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Goodness and mercy has surround me upon me team. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Me purpose bigger than me dream. Yeah, the enemy I try but I feel lost. Everything done nail down pon the cross. Yeah, me still a